In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook on a PC. The easiest and most recommended way to use Facebook on a computer is through your web browser. This method is quick, reliable, and doesn't require downloading any traditional software. To get started, open a browser on your PC such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, go to the official Facebook website at facebook.com. When the page loads, you'll see the sign in screen. Enter your login details in the appropriate fields, then click Login. For privacy and security, make sure you're entering your information only on the official Facebook website. And if you're using a shared computer, avoid saving your login details in the browser. For many people, this browser-based option is all they need. It gives you full access to Facebook directly from your computer, and it's usually the simplest way to get started. If you want Facebook to feel more like a desktop app, there's also an option to install it as an app using Google Chrome. This doesn't download a separate full program in the traditional sense, but it does create an app-like version that can open in its own window, which some users find more convenient. To do that, open Google Chrome on your PC. Then go to facebook.com and sign in to your account. After you're logged in, look near the address bar for an install icon. If that icon is available, click it. If you don't see the icon right away, don't worry. Open the Chrome menu and look for an option such as Install Facebook. In some versions of Chrome, you may instead need to go to Save and Share, then choose Install Page as App. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your Chrome version, so just look for the option that refers to installing the page as an app. Once you find that option, click Install. Chrome will then create an app-style version of Facebook on your PC. After that, you can usually launch it from your desktop, start menu, or app list, depending on how your system is set up. That's all it takes. You can either use Facebook directly in your browser, which is the recommended method, or install it as an app through Chrome if you prefer a more standalone experience. Both options are straightforward, and once you're signed in, you're ready to start using Facebook on your PC.